Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going to remove unwanted words now. First, open any app and bring up the keyboard so settings appear. If your keyboard shows a gear icon, tap it. Otherwise, go to Settings, System, Languages, and Input, then Virtual Keyboard, and pick your keyboard app. Once selected, look for dictionary or text correction options because that's where learned words and suggestions live. Make sure you're in the correct language profile before proceeding, since dictionaries are language-specific and changes won't apply across languages. Now remove specific entries from suggestions. If a word appears on the suggestion strip, long press it and select Remove or the trash icon. Most keyboards support that immediate delete. For systematic cleanup, open Personal Dictionary under the keyboard settings, pick the language, locate the unwanted word, and tap Delete. You can also use Clear Learned Words or Reset Suggestions in text correction to purge many entries at once. Be aware this resets personalized predictions, so only use that if you want. Finish by applying a full reset only if needed. Go to Settings, Apps, choose your keyboard app, then Storage and clear data to remove all learned words and settings. Once done, restart your phone so changes propagate into active apps. If deleted words come back, make sure Account Sync isn't restoring learned entries by checking Google Account Sync or Keyboard Cloud settings. Disable sync if necessary. If problems persist, update or reinstall the keyboard app and test in multiple apps to confirm the issue is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.